Last Friday, the University of Michigan Sentiment Index dropped to its lowest level since May, with consumers expecting higher unemployment and weaker personal finances driven by rising long term inflation expectations. This declining sentiment and job insecurity may prompt the Federal Reserve to cut rates further to bolster the economy, with markets anticipating a 25 basis point cut in September and focusing on the Fed's projections and Fed Chair Powell's press conference for clues on future rate cuts, inflation risks, and labor market conditions. The Fed's median forecast suggests a benchmark rate of around 3.6% by year end, with three cuts in 2025 and gradual easing into 2026-2027, alongside slightly lower inflation projections and an unemployment rate of 4.3 to 4.5%. One major U.S. bank predicts five consecutive cuts to reach 3 to 3.25%, though potential dissent from Governor Waller and Trump's nominee Stephen Moran could signal a 50 basis point cut or no change, possibly sparking market volatility. Meanwhile, Fed Governor Lisa Cook's legal battle against her firing by the Trump administration raises concerns about Fed independence, potentially impacting dollar confidence. Globally, the Bank of Japan and Bank of England's upcoming meetings could highlight divergent monetary policies, with the BOJ possibly signaling tightening, pressuring the dollar. U.S.-China talks in Madrid addressed trade and TikTok's future amid escalating tensions and investigations into U.S. and Chinese firms. Key U.S. data this week, including August retail sales, industrial production, and the Empire State Manufacturing Index, will provide insights into consumer spending, industry, and manufacturing, with signs of a slowdown reflecting weaker orders and rising input costs. Currency markets show the dollar index under pressure, euro dollar holding above its 50-day moving average, and dollar yen awaiting BOJ signals, while Aussie dollar and Kiwi remain resilient despite softening Chinese data. Brent crude faces tariff threats, gold hovers near record highs, and the dollar yuan rate reflects China's economic challenges. That's all for now.